students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is electric field intensity at a distance r from the center of a uniformly charged sphere outside the sphere is E. Then which of the following option is correct? So according to the question, there is a sphere and electric field at a distance r from the center at this point is given as E. So which of the following options are correct? So charge of this sphere is given as Q and this distance is given as R. So for outside the sphere, we will consider the entire charge is concentrated at the center. So electric field at a distance r from a charge Q will be K Q by R square, where E is directly proportional to Q and E is inversely proportional to R square. So correct option will be option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.